In Texas, families in Bellaire are turning to Red Bear Care for reliable, compassionate support at home. At Red Bear Care, we understand that home is more than a place. It's where comfort, safety, and peace of mind matter most. Our personalized approach to home care in Bellaire, Texas, puts your loved one at the center of everything we do. Whether your family needs occasional help or 24-hour home care in Bellaire, our team is here to provide consistent, dependable support. From personal care services in Bellaire, like bathing and dressing, to essential mobility assistance, we help individuals live with confidence and dignity. We also know how important companionship can be. Our companion care at home in Bellaire offers more than just a helping hand. We provide a trusted presence, meaningful conversation, and a connection that makes every day feel brighter. Families navigating memory loss can count on our specialized dementia home care in Bellaire, built around routines, familiarity, and patience. And for those who served, our veterans home care in Bellaire ensures they receive the respectful, attentive care they deserve. Need help getting to appointments or errands? Our transportation services in Bellaire keep life moving, helping clients stay active and independent. At Red Bear Care, we're proud to deliver high-quality senior home care in Bellaire that adapts to each individual's needs. Whether it's a few hours a week or round-the-clock home care, we're here to make life easier, safer, and more comfortable. Texas families trust Red Bear Care for home care assistance in Bellaire that's dependable, personal, and centered on what matters most. This is what home care should feel like, right here in Bellaire, Texas. Reach out today.